Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking to do another type of video on my channel for part of the series that I'm doing. So alongside doing the analysis videos on the Friday, what I'll be doing is through the week giving just a little update in the positions that I have. So I'm going to do this as well on so basically on Wednesday and on Friday of the end of the trading sessions, and then on the Saturday and the Sunday I'll post the weekly analysis video. So what this will do is just shorten the time for the analysis video, so make it a little bit quicker for everyone. So bearing in mind of that, in terms of the positions, then what I've got into for this week so far, with the pound US dollar, we've got a position that has just closed out, but we roughly made I believe just shy of this run here, so about 50 pips for that. Then if we just step it down for the hourly, we got stopped out just as we got to about here, and that was partly because we got closed out during the trend line breakout. So obviously today we had the Boris Johnson MP news that came out, which obviously caused the pound to rise. So we managed to just get out of that trade with that one. So that's with the pound. So right here, scenario 2 worked perfectly fine. And then Euro USD, we got in here. Just about, it's a bit hard to see, so just drop it up a bit. Yeah, roughly around here where I've drawn here, and that is still in position. We still have this running 60 odd pips until we break out of the top of this trend line, then we'll close out. So that's for Euro USD, USD JPY, and just as I'm saying this, all of the updates and the positions that I enter, they are on my Twitter. So I am posting when I'm getting it in. So if you want to look back when I'm going through these videos, I post it on there, and then obviously I update it when I'm getting in. So it will be good for next week for you to get involved if you'd like. So if that's something that you're interested in, just obviously follow my Twitter handle at KMTRADERS_. So yeah, sorry. So just get back into the video again. Sorry. So with USD JPY, we found the retest in our zone, and we roughly took in from this level on the 22nd. So I think that was the Monday. Roughly 37 pips, but we're kind of letting this run, aiming towards 108.567, but we've turned this into a risk-free trade just because we had that slight dip. So we're finding some support from this level here, and we're finding that up. So I'm just going to leave it as a risk-free trade and potentially close the profit if I need to. Okay, so moving on, we have gold. What do we say for gold? We've just entered gold today, just due to the monthly rejection, which is that this level's acting as support, and just to bring it back a step, this is this scenario that we are anticipating here. We're going to aim towards 1431, so just got into that traders today. Let's bring it to Bitcoin. I don't believe we are in this at all. What I am looking for though is a breakout of our trend line at some point, so I'm gonna keep up to get into that one potentially in the next few days. If we get the breakout, we're looking for the retest before the buying entry. So obviously I'll post that on Twitter. And then for Ripple, we've just got that today as well. We had the breakout of our downtrend, and we just got here on the retest, and we're just going to close this now to roughly take profit like that, such. So we're going to make this a risk-free trade as well. So far doing quite well on 3 days in, relieved roughly about just over 200 pips so far. Pound USD. Obviously, there'll be more entries for the end of the next 2 days. But if we do spot any, they will all be posted on the KMT Traders Twitter prior to our entry. Yeah, so but back towards the end of the next week, so towards the Saturday and the weekend, I'll be doing the analysis videos, and then on the Friday I'll update on the profit side if we get any other type of entries for the next 2 days. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you on Friday.